Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to stop automatic billing. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to paramountplus.com. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Click on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings and subscription information. Step 4. Scroll down to the subscription and billing section where your current plan details are displayed. Step 5. Click on Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription to begin the cancellation process. Step 6. Paramount Plus may ask you to provide feedback about why you're cancelling. Select a reason or skip if optional. Step 7. Review the cancellation terms, noting that you'll have access until the end of your current billing period. Step 8. Confirm the cancellation by clicking the final Cancel Subscription button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Paramount Plus verifying your cancellation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.